Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So this, first of all, let me start off by saying this is really weird for me. I have never ever since I've been on YouTube done a video at night, unless it was like maybe 6-7 o'clock and I was going to the store or something like that. It is literally 11:32 p.m. Why am I doing a Dollar Tree haul so late at night? Because I went to the store today. Let me throw my phone down. I went to the store today and I found a few things, and tomorrow, it is Saturday night, so hopefully I'm gonna try to have this up for you guys. I'm just gonna be super busy tomorrow, so I won't be able to record and edit and all that. So I'm gonna try to do this tonight so I can have this up for you guys tomorrow. So I was at the Dollar Tree and I did find a few things, and like I said, I wanted to come and share with you guys what I got. So let me grab it and we'll jump right into it. So the first two things that I grabbed, they're kind of big, so I'm gonna show you guys these first and then I'm gonna get them out the way. They are these 12 by 24 assorted print carpet towels. And so I picked up this one that says wolf, and this will be for my dog, of course. So I thought that was pretty cool. These are a little bit more, you know, they would cost a lot more at a different store, and the back is actually, you know, really nice. It would have been nice if it had like the grips on it, but for $1, I mean, you can't complain too much. And who is this made by? Made in USA RN. So I don't believe that this is like a Dollar Tree brand. So I picked up that one, and then I also got this one. Now that one that said wolf is a lot thicker than this one. This one is nice as well, but the other one is a little bit thicker. But look at that, it says home, and I just really like that. The back of this one looks like that, so it doesn't have that shiny like the other one, but this is just so cute. I just love this, so I definitely had to pick up both of those. So the next three things that I picked up are duplicates, and they are these really pretty bowls that look like mercury. And I'm not going to face them at the screen because the light might shine on the inside, and you know, the reflection is going to be really bright. But they're these bowls that look like they're made out of mercury, like faux mercury. They are so pretty. Oh my goodness, these are beautiful. When I seen them, I was like, oh my gosh. Then there was only 3 on the shelf, so I definitely purchased all 3 of them. Now Dollar Tree in the past, the only other star bowls that I seen, I think I took a picture of them, and those were the bigger ones that are just clear. And I've never seen these that look like this, that, you know, have that mercury kind of look to them. And I thought these were so cute. I did Google something like this, and the only place that I seen the star ones that look like this were at Pottery Barn. They're not sold there anymore, but they did have some in the past that looked like this. So, and they were definitely way more than $1, so I had to get these. In a video previous that I recorded, probably, I don't know, maybe 3 hauls ago, I showed the little plates that they had. When I showed those at my store, they did not have the elephant. You guys know I love gold and I love elephants. They did not have this one, and so I'm not going to say I was looking for it, but I was hoping to run across it, and I finally did. And it's the little accessory plate or trinket tray with the gold elephant. Super duper cute, so I did grab that. In the beauty section or toothpaste area, they had these trial size Crest HD Pro Health toothpaste, and they are, like I said, they are trial size, and there was 2 different ones, so I picked them both up. This one is Crest 3D White Brilliance, and this one is Crest HD Pro Health. Both fluoride toothpaste for anti-cavity, and they both come with whitening gel. They are a 2-step system, so I just picked these up to give them a try. The more coffee I drink, it just seems like over time they might change from as bright white as they were, so I just want to try those out to see how they work. And yeah, okay. And then I've seen people haul these, and I wasn't really worried about finding them, and they're the cute little candles that look like this. And you guys know I always try to give Dollar Tree candles a try just to see if I'm gonna like them. Now, I'm not gonna lie, when I opened this one, which is the peach passion fruit, when I open, is this the one? Oh my gosh, the peach and the passion fruit, well, it says peach passion fruit iced tea. It does have that hint of like it being like a tea. It's weird, it does smell like tea, but that peach and the passion fruit in this smells so good. I have really high hopes for this one. Then I also picked up the cool lime iced tea, and it's that one. And that one smells really, really good. It smells just like lime. I'm really, really hoping that these smell good. And then I got the berry hibiscus, and that one is not as strong of a throw to it, like a cold throw, but these two were really, really strong. So I'm hoping that they are really, really nice. I will let you guys know on Instagram, like I said. I had out some lemon Nilla wafers. These are the real vanilla wafers, but they are just in Nilla. I mean, in Nilla. You guys, I'm sleepy. They are in lemon flavor, excuse me. And this is 11 ounces. So this is a big box, and they had a big giant display of these. I was so tempted to pick up two. I love lemon anything, lemon cookies, lemon pound cake, lemon everything. So I was tempted to get two of these, but I didn't. I only got the one. The next thing I picked up was, I did happen to go over and look at the Mother's Day cards. This one is the one that caught my attention, and it says, "Mom, you are rare and magical." And I just love that unicorn on the front. It's so cute. And then it says, "I love you, happy Mother's Day" on the inside. But how cute is that? And most of the time when I find cards like this, when I'm crafting, if you was to purchase this, you can actually pop the unicorn off, because it is like 3D, so that actually can come off if you really wanted it to. I had some super cute lip glosses, and they look like this, like little seashells. And let me tell you guys something. When I first seen them, there is a white one as well. This one, the blue one, is bubblegum scented. The pink one is watermelon, and they have that pearl effect to them. They are so pretty. There was a white one, and I didn't get that one, and the white one was coconut. But after I got to the house, before I started filming, I opened these up just to kind of, you know, look at them, and I wanted to smell them. Let me tell you guys. Let me take them out. So, first of all, the cases are just adorable, and they have all that sparkle on them, and the pink one is the same way. So I was not expecting this. The little like owls and all of the other little containers with the lip glosses in them from Dollar Tree in the past. I was purchasing them in the beginning, but I didn't like the lip balm. And so I normally would pass on these. I'm happy I picked these up. So the watermelon smells like a very mild watermelon, but it smells really good and sweet. Now, it doesn't have a mirror in there, but can you look at that? Can you see that? It is a pearl color lip balm, and yes, I rubbed my finger in that one already, because I'm going to show you what they look like on my finger. And then the blue one is a blue pearl color. How pretty is that? Now, watch the color. So let me get the blue, and they are so pretty. Look at that metallic type of a color. This is the blue one, and that's the pink one. And I'm trying to make sure this camera is picking that up, because they are way more pigmented than probably what my camera is picking up. Can you see that, you guys? These are so pearl and so pretty, and I'm actually gonna rub some on. Look at that. Do you see that? I think these will be really, and they smell so good. The bubblegum one does, it smells sweet. It smells like a pink piece of like bubblegum. So as you can see, that pearl type of a shine to it. And I don't have anything on my lips, not at 11:45 at night. But these are so cute, and I'm kind of mad that I didn't pick up the white one now because I would like to see the white one. But then again, I'm not really too fond of like a white tint, like the white pearl, because then all you just see is like the glitter flakes or whatever. But at least these have like a tint of pink and a tint of blue. Look at that. That is just so pretty. So these are really, really nice. If you guys are able to find these, and the way they feel, it's not sticky at all. The way it feels is really, really nice, and the fragrance on them is nice as well. So I was happy to find those, and those were by the front registers. They were not in the cosmetic area. Moving on, I'm just randomly grabbing stuff out the bag. I bought a few of these. I'm only showing you guys two. They had the glasses like this before, and they were more like a greenish type of a blue. These are, look at that pretty blue. And you know how Dollar Tree is putting in all of like the summer type stuff, like the seashells and all of the beach themed stuff. These remind me of like ocean, like beach water. That blue is just gorgeous. And when you're looking at them, it gets darker, like an ombre effect. It gets darker at the bottom. These are beautiful. I actually picked up a set of 8 of these, and these are just 2 of them. I love these. I think these are really nice. And these are the Cristar. Can you see that? Cristar brand. And I just think these are so pretty. What are these? Some Poo Be Gone Sprays. When I seen these, I was thinking to myself, I had just recently seen some of these in like, where was I at? Bed Bath & Beyond or something like that. And I was going to get one just to try it out. But they were like $5.99 or something like that. And what it is it keeps the smell of your poo. It keeps the smell gone, I guess. That's what they say. It says, before you poo, spray this into the bowl. And there was 2 fragrances. This one is fresh citrus, and this one is lavender vanilla. So I'm definitely going to give these a try. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see how these work. I'll grab this, is it Ozium? I think it's pronounced Ozium at the top, and it's the Anywhere Odor Eliminator. Eliminates smoke and odors and everything like that for that new car smell. I'm giving this, I actually picked this up for my mom. I don't smoke or anything like that, so I don't have to get rid of that smoke smell. But my mom, she does smoke, and she loves to keep air fresheners and stuff in her car. So I'm gonna just give these to her to see if she likes them. Almost done, you guys. I am getting tired, more sleepy by the minute. So they had some of their red, white, and blue stuff out. I did take some pictures. Those will be at the end of this video. So I did pick up Pooh Bear these cute little socks, and I just thought these were adorable with the little crab holding the flag. How cute are those? Super cute. And it's a shoe size 7 through 10. So I got him those. I got myself a couple pairs or 2 pairs. And these are really nice and thick, and they have the like ribbed type of top right here. And I just got these with the stars on them. And then I also picked up these with the stars at the top, but then the bottoms is just the red and white. So I got both of these for myself. The candy section, I usually always pick up hot tamales because I love hot tamales. But I saw these, and I like red hots, but I normally don't get them too much because, you know, they're hard and you have to suck on them, and I don't like that. I like my hot candy to be kind of chewy. So when I seen these and they say chewy red hots, I was like, ooh, let me try these. These suckers, I bought 2 boxes. Me and one of my sons ate the other box, but they are so good, and they're super chewy, and they are hot. Also picked up these Junior caramels or caramels, new and improved, and it says softer caramel and more flavor. Soft caramels covered in milk chocolate. So I got 1 box of these. Then last but not least, I did pick up these 2 tea light candle holders. They say luminescence. They are Dollar Tree brand, but I just like the shape. But now that I'm looking at them, I can tell that they are shaped a little different. This one is more shorter and wide, and this one is a little bit more narrow and tall. So I don't know if you guys can see the difference, but I didn't notice that when I picked them up. But I mean, it's no biggie, no big of a deal, no big deal. So I did pick up 2 of those, and that was it. So that is all of my haul, you guys. Like I said, I just wanted to record this so I can get this up for you guys. I believe I have a couple pictures that I'll put up right now, so stay tuned for that. Thank you guys all for watching. I hope you guys are having a beautiful weekend, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.